Rowserworld.
Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of World. Today what we're going to be doing is a quick caricature drawing of Ross from the show Friends. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with my eyebrow shape. Okay, and we're going to do our eye shape here. Okay, we're going to add our nose shape. And then we're going to add, excuse me, let me just do it a little dark right there. And then we're going to add our smile shape here. Okay. Super awesome. All right, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start adding in our features, okay? So we're going to give him that nice, strong chin there. And we're going to make the side of his face kind of come down into that shape. Okay. And now we're going to start adding our ear shape here. So we're going to put the sideburns in first. Okay. I've been messing around with this inside out thing here for a minute. And it's been kind of working out for me, so I've just been going with it. I've been finding that I'm getting the likeness is a lot easier. I'm doing it this way. Awesome. Let's go ahead and start adding our hair shape here. Okay. And we just add our top shape here. He has a nice big crown there. Remember, you want to have fun when you're drawing. You don't want to try to draw a portrait. Nobody wants to know what they look like in real life. Just remember that. I know I don't anyway. Every time I look in the mirror, I'm reminded of how old I am. Oh man. Okay, let's go ahead and just give him a little bit of a tie here. Sometimes it depends on what day I'm drawing on. Some days I'll have trouble drawing believe it or not, the lapels of the jacket and making them look right. I'm the master at messing up in these pictures. Sometimes I'll mess up, right? But I've also become the master of covering up mistakes. So I learn from them. I'll see what I can and can't do. I try not to draw myself into a corner. You know what I mean? And before I used to teach the head shape method most of the time. But then I started seeing for myself even that I could achieve good likenesses by doing it either way. I just had to work on controlling the size of the drawing by doing it a different way. I think the reason I stayed away from this way was because I was trying to take the easy way out and not work on my size control, And then, I don't know, one day I said, I'm not going to take it anymore. And started doing it this way. So now I'm just adding in my shadows, guys. So this is kind of where I do line correction pretty much. If I feel like my shape's a little off, I can superimpose a shadow over it, or I can actually bolster my shapes, meaning that I can make my shape stand out more, the shapes that I want you to pay special attention to. I can use my marker to do that. So we're just about ready to close out here. Use a little profile shade here. If you want to think of it, this is the equivalent of an eraser when you're using a marker. You can do all kinds of corrections. Now let's see if we can't get this hair right. I think the drawing came out super awesome. To be, maybe I could have did some things differently. I'm not perfect. Even though my kids believe I'm perfect, they always say, "Dad, you always get it just right." Kids will be kids, though. They always, they can, I was looking at a video the other day where I was talking about kids and how they showed them a picture and asked them, or a shape, and asked them how many things can they come up with, or how this shape looks like. And kids could come up with all kinds of different things. But then as you become an adult, and as they question the adults are only able to come up with one or two things, and it was like, as we get older, if we don't keep that part of our brain active, we'll lose our imagination to see things, and life gets kind of boring and dull as an adult. So I guess in this form, cartoons have helped me quite a bit. Yeah. So anyway, I'm just about done here. Got my cartoon. Just coloring in the jacket. Okay. And last but not least, I like to use this little marker here. I call it my detail maker. This is how I put hairlines in. Alright, let's do a little hairline right there so it'll look a little bit more realistic. Alright, and then we can add some eyelashes in. I always make my eyelashes kind of go down, and then I'll just color in my pupil a little bit more. Once again, if I need to do a little bit of shape correction, I can do it with this marker here. Just think of it, I think of it as I'm a surgeon, and these are my surgical tools. Need to make a small incision right here. A cartoon's like, ow! Okay, you're supposed to be under anesthesia. I'm messing with you. Alright guys, so pretty much that's my cartoon of, put some little lines out here. This is my cartoon picture of Ross from Friends. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video tutorial. I'll be posting more video tutorials soon. If you want to see your favorite celebrity drawn and featured on our show, hey, leave a comment in the comment section, and we'll go ahead and get you taken care of. Make a video just for you. Alright guys, have a blessed and wonderful evening, and I'll be seeing you in the next drawing. We're going to be doing this as a series of these guys called Friends. I enjoyed you guys. You have a good one.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.